kids! Today we're going to show you how to draw and paint a video game controller. Ready? Start by drawing the outline. We're going to draw the border and then some buttons and smaller buttons. We can draw a cross shape, some circles and some small circles, medium circles, rectangles. It's so easy. You just need to draw a few different shapes, some lines. And there you have it, ready to paint. We'll start with lovely yellow, sparkly yellow for the main part of our video game controller. What's your favourite colour? Me too, I like all the colours. Painting around the shapes very carefully with a small brush. Careful not to go over the lines. Almost there. And done. Right, now for pink. Let's paint the ends. Lovely. I love this sparkly pink. It's so vibrant. Let's do the top buttons too. And the other side. And matching up with the left bottom side too. Voila! Turquoise next. We're going to paint our middle part. I love how these colours stand out next to each other. And our buttons at the bottom, the inside part. Now let's go for red. Sparkly red for our big buttons. Carefully painting around our cross. And then purple. Let's do the second big button purple. Painting around our small circle buttons so that we don't go over the lines. And then brown. Sparkly brown to go around our turquoise circle buttons. Green for our stripes. Absolutely fantastic. Let's do the other side. Yeah, and then red again. Why not? Let's paint our final stripes red. That really does look super cool, doesn't it? And turquoise again. Oh, we love these colours. That's our cross. And our small buttons on the other side, but only two. Now we're going to do the middle one, pink. And then green for our remaining small circular buttons. And finally, a royal blue for our last remaining button. And there you have it, a gorgeous rainbow video game controller. Game on!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!